Step into the world where the boundaries between humanity and technology are blurred, where you can have mind-blowing conversations with robots just like you're talking to a long-lost friend. Now imagine this, machines that write like human and artificial intelligence that could replace your job. Sounds like a science fiction, right? But it's not. That's the reality of ChatGPT. Since its launch in November 2022, this AI chatbot has taken the internet by storm, already crossing 1 million user mark in just 5 days. That's crazy, right? Get ready to be blown away. This video is an absolute game changer. It's packed with insider secrets, actionable advice that will limitless your productivity and creativity. You won't want to miss a single second. I promise. So watch this video till the end. But first, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and how does it work. ChatGPT is a machine that can process huge amount of data and generate responses as they were written by humans. It's a tool that can write your emails, your blog posts, and even stories in a matter of seconds. Here's the thing. Artificial intelligence will soon replace many jobs, and GPT can automate content creation, which can further lead to many job losses. It's a scary thought, isn't it? But the good news is, those who are willing to learn ChatGPT will have a distinct advantage in the future job market. So are you ready to embrace this change? Will you adopt and learn ChatGPT, or will you be left behind? The future is now and the stakes are high. Now don't worry, I'm here to take you through everything you need to know about ChatGPT, from the basic to mastering your skills and even having some fun along the way. Hi there, I'm Hassan. I'm all about data exploration and digital marketing. I like to think of myself as a detective who loves to unravel insights from data. Get ready to become a pro at using ChatGPT. The first step is to create an account, and I will show you how step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head to chat.openai.com. That's the official website for ChatGPT. Once you are there, you will see a user-friendly interface. To create an account, click the sign up button on the middle of the page. From there, you can either sign up with your Google account or create a new account by providing your email and other details. Click continue with Google and then sign up with your Google account. Next, you will be asked to provide your mobile number for verification process. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Just enter your number and wait for the code to arrive. Once you get the code, type it in the verification field and you are done. Congratulations, your ChatGPT account is now ready. After creating your account, you will land on the main page of ChatGPT where you can start chatting with the chatbot. Just type in your prompt and GPT will respond as if it was a human. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to give 10 facts about time travel. It's that simple. Now you know how to create an account and use ChatGPT. Let's have some fun with it. For example, let's say you need to write a blog post quickly. Just enter a prompt like 5 ways to make your cat happier, and GPT will generate unique content for you. But here's the real kicker. Let's see if GPT can write an excuse for not attending a meeting in Shakespearean style. And voila, ChatGPT comes with an excuse that sounds like it was written by Shakespeare himself. Impressive, right? Want to have a good laugh with ChatGPT? Then check out this hilarious video I have compiled. The funniest ChatGPT conversations are all there. I promise they will tickle your funny bone. I will drop down the link below for you to enjoy. Let's talk about how to make the most out of using ChatGPT, starting from the importance of asking the right questions. This is the key to getting the most out of this tool. Let's use burgers as an example. Instead of just asking for a recipe, be specific about what you want. Ask for a recipe for a juicy medium rare burger with a crispy bun and all the fixings. By being specific, you are more likely to get a recipe that fits your preferences. It's all about asking the right questions. That's how you can use ChatGPT to generate unique and creative content quickly and easily. But if you want to take your prompts to the next level, here's a secret nobody will tell you. Practice with your own creative thoughts. Look, the more you experiment with crafting these prompts, the better you will become at it. So don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. Well, there you have it, folks. You're now officially equipped to have some amazing conversation with ChatGPT. Whether you're looking for some fun conversation or some serious knowledge sharing, ChatGPT got your back. And hey, if you like this video and want to see more awesome content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Our channel is all about digital marketing and data analytics. So if you are interested in learning more about these topics, just subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you soon in the next one.